Right, this project that I'm going to do now is turning a PC power supply into a bench power supply. Please remember, while working on this, there's dangerous voltages inside here that can easily kill, so please remember to unplug while you're working on it. If you're not sure, then don't attempt it. I'll accept no responsibility, so please be careful. Hi, this is G4ZTD again. Just going to show you how to convert a PC power supply into a useful bench power supply. First of all, on the multi-plug, the main plug that feeds the PC, you're shorting link between the green and the black wire. That's the startup wire to make the actual make the power supply spin. As you can see, it's spinning there. And then what we can do is check that we've got the outputs that we require, which is 5 volts and 12 volts. Now on these plugs you can use either the black wires as negative, so that to the red should be 5 volts, which it is, 5.2, and that to the yellow should be 12 volts, 12.27. Once we've established that, we can start stripping the unit down and doing the simple mods to it. Okay, so with the lid off, as you can see, let's get a bit of light around here. Well, it's not made a lot of difference. You've got one whole bunch of cables there, and all we need is a green and a black, a red, a yellow, and another couple of blacks there. So I'm going to chop all these off, and I'll show you what it looks like when I've done. Right, that's all the wires chopped off, and as you can see, I've twisted together the pairs that we need. That's the 5 volt pair, the 12 volt pair, and that's the kickstart to kick it into action. And what I'm going to do in a minute, I'm going to drill some holes somewhere on this to put some terminals in for connecting to. So I'll back in a bit. Okay. There's the panel. I decided to mount them on the lid, on-off switch, 12 volts, 5 volts, and a visual indication so you know when it's on, because the fan's quite quiet, so you need to know something like that. Right, that's the back of it. Looks a bit messy, I know, but there we go. Okay, this is the finished item. Unfortunately, the lead decided to blow. So, oh, it's working again now. Oh, blow me. There we go. So, you can see that. I'll just show you this is in actual fact working. If I connect that to there. There we go. 12.27. And on here, 5.21. Well, I've got the leads around the wrong way, but it doesn't matter. You also can make a 3 volt rail on here as well, 3.3 volt. If you use the black and an orange wire that was in them wires we chopped off, that will give you 3.3 volts if you so wish to have that voltage. Anyway, I hope it was of interest to you, and those that know how to do it, well, I'm sorry if you were bored. Okay, bye.